I'm a judicial, not a judicial activist. I believe that the rule of law must be above personal beliefs, individual agendas, or partisan politics. And I don't believe my opponent has that philosophy. She's an activist, and that's the difference. I'm not an activist, she is. An activist is one who believes that they've been put on the court to analyze the things that brought before them, and if they believe the legislature has enacted something which they believe is they don't agree with, then they're put there to correct the legislature's mistakes. And I believe the legislature has constitutional authorities granted which permits them to act in certain areas, and same with the courts.
Justice Bradley says that you're labeling her like that as a liberal activist and one who legislates from the bench just means that you don't agree with her opinions.
I disagree with her philosophy, and her opinions can be judged by themselves, all to benefit a certain group of folks, which are the people who have filled her campaign coffers over the last 3 elections. Trial attorneys, and that's wrong.
Judicial elections are nonpartisan, as is the judiciary itself. And so I wanted to ask you how that squares with you soliciting signatures for nominations from with the Republican Party.
Okay. It is a nonpartisan election, but it's a statewide election. We both have to use someone's apparatus to get our message out. She's doing it her way, and I'm doing it my way.
Did you ask the Democratic Party as well?
No, I've gone to people who asked me to speak to them, and I've been out speaking since October, and they're the ones who've said, sure, we'll be happy to get your nomination papers out there.
Judge James Daley, thanks very much.
Thank you so much.
Both Judge Daley and